The significance of science and knowledge. The Holy Prophet saw two groups in the mosque. Each group had formed a circle and was busy doing something. The Prophet asked the man what those two groups were doing. "O Prophet of God, this group is busy praying and reciting Qur'an, and other group is busy teaching and learning sciences and things related to knowledge." The Messenger of God became happy as he observed those two groups and then said, "Both these groups are doing something good that results in blissfulness and goodness. But I have been sent to educate and inform people." Therefore, he went toward the group that was involved in teaching and learning and joined that circle.